Do you work here? Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
So does this work? Have you tried it?
Yeah.
So you fly from one place to another?
Yeah, we testing in China.
Oh wow. How long can you go? How far can you go?
On the road, the range is 100 kilometers.
Oh wow.
And the flying time about 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Yeah.
How high does it get up?
Under 300 meters.
Oh wow, high. Dang. Okay. For 25 minutes.
But is it just a concept or it has already been put use?
It's a prototype.
Oh,
Prototype.
prototype. Okay.
Do you think when would it move from prototype to
Commercialized.
actual commercial use?
Yeah, we maybe 2026.
Oh, really?
That's cool. That's very cool.
But at least the government have to give you the regulation and rights to fly